There are plenty of videos that compare products and printing, but in this video I want to show you how to choose product from the Printify catalog based on other parameters. This way you can do your research and find the best option for your situation. Let's understand how the Printify catalog works and how to choose the right products to sell. Printify is not a printing company. It's a marketplace for other printing companies that print and ship products from their facilities. Printify manages everything for you by giving you access to all providers in one big catalog, along with their prices and other important information. You also get the design tool that works for all providers, and you can manage your store directly from Printify, so you don't need to contact each provider individually. Plus, you have access to Printify's customer support. When you choose to use Printify, you also need to decide which providers to work with for your products. One advantage for using Printify is that if one provider is out of stock, you can get your products from another. Now let's take a look at the catalog to see how to choose a provider. Some products have many providers, especially popular ones, while others have fewer options. For example, if you're looking for stuffed animals with printable t-shirts, you find only a few options, each with different toys and providers. But if you're selling t-shirts, you'll find different brands like Gildan or Bella and Canvas. Once you choose a brand, you'll see multiple providers offering it. When researching which product to sell, first decide on the quality you prefer. You can order a sample without printing or watch YouTube videos comparing different sheets. Another thing you should know about the branding of the product before printing is that Printify has different mockup selection for each brand. If you want to display your product in different ways without creating a mockup for each product, like I showed in another video using Placeit or Canva, you should open the product, upload something, and check the mockup library to see if it offers the mockup you want to use in your store. However, this isn't the most important factor to focus on because you can create different mockups in various ways, like in Canva and Placeit. The quality of the product should be your priority. After choosing a product, you need to select a provider inside Printify. You can see how many providers are printing a product before you even open it. If you're selling a best-selling product, it's a good idea to choose ones that have as many providers as possible. This way you can avoid running out of stock. After selecting the brand of the product you want to sell, instead of just clicking Start Designing, you can see a list of providers by clicking Choose manually once you're inside the product page. On the right side, you'll see an option to sort the products by different criteria. Typically, the higher ranked provider appears at the top of the list, but you can also search using other parameters like price or production time. Each provider has a rating up to 10 points, though it's rare to find a perfect 10. It's important to consider this rating when choosing who will print your products. Followed by the price, you may see different prices because if you have Printify Premium, which is a paid subscription by Printify, you get a discount. You can see how much of the discount you get here. And each provider have different pricing. Next, you'll see the shipping cost, which start with a standard price for shipping within the USA. If you hover over it, you can see other options, but they are only for the USA market. I'll show you how to find all the other shipping details in a bit. Then you have the average production time. If you want a provider that works fast, look at this number. Next is the printing areas. If you want to print on specific part of the product, like the sleeves or the label, check here to see if the provider supports it. Then you have the product sizes. If you want to sell big or small sizes, this is where you can see the available options. Lastly, you have the color option. If you hover over the color, you'll see its name. If you need the hex code, you have to open the More Info section. When you click More Info, you'll see extra details. The first tab shows size and color availability. It's best to choose a provider that has everything in stock, because if they don't, they might also run out in the future when you need it. You should also consider this for the long run, to ensure the provider has all colors available, especially during busy time like Black Friday, when many people are ordering products. If you noticed that the product has different pricing, you can open it to see why. Some products have different prices for larger sizes. If that's the case, you can decide whether to sell each product at different price or to sell them all at the same price, calculating the price based on the lowest margin product to ensure you won't lose money on the more expensive ones. Another option is to create different listings for the same design on different product size groups. For example, you can sell larger size at a higher price in separate listing, avoiding selling them at a high price when you could offer a discount for the smaller sizes. When you hover over the shared color, you can see the hex code, which you can use to compare colors or create custom mockups for that specific shade. In the next tab, you'll see the shipping rates. This is important because you need to include the shipping cost in your product pricing. If you're offering free shipping, including international shipping, you need to know how much to add to the product price to cover the shipping costs without losing money. In the production tab, you'll find information from the provider. Read it carefully because each provider has different details, and you want to make sure you get the answers you need for that specific provider. The last two tabs are for branding, which I covered in different video. Another important factor, the provider location. If you're selling to a specific country, you might want to consider this. If the provider is located far from your customers, it will take longer to ship to them. Under all the providers, you can see more information about the specific product. This refers to the brand of the product before it's printed. There are two different ways to add the design to a product, printing and embroidery. Not all providers offer both. If you want to use embroidery, choose a provider that supports it. A few things you should know about embroidery. The first time someone orders a product with your design, it takes 36 hours to create a file for the embroidery machines. It can also fail if your design doesn't have the correct colors for embroidery. Make sure you provide the design in the right format. You can find the necessary information on the product page. If print quality is very important to you, you should order samples from 2 or more providers and compare them yourself. There are videos about this. There are a few problems with relying on them. Quality is very subjective. What one person thinks is good might not be the same for you. Some videos may also be biased with ways you don't even know, so you can't be sure if their opinion are influenced by external factors. Another issue is most comparison videos focus on products rather than providers. However, the provider is more important because they determine the quality of the final product and printing. If you are unsure which provider to choose, don't waste too much time watching videos comparing products. Test it yourself. This way, you can see exactly how long it takes to receive the product, the print quality, and even other details that matters to you and they're not showing in the video. In the end, your customers will be the ones complaining if they don't get what they expected. Some people say that Printify never ships on time, but this depends entirely on the provider you choose. If you want to give your customers the best experience, testing providers yourself is the best way to ensure quality and reliability. If you want to learn how to create a product in Printify and use a product editor, click here and watch this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.